You're welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I'll be bringing you this special video. I want to use this opportunity to appreciate everyone, all the subscribers of this channel that have made it possible for us to grow this fast last year up to this moment. As at this time last year, 2021, we were about 500 subscribers. But today, as at the recording of this video, we are 15.7k subscriber with about 132 videos. Look at it right here. If you look at this right at this point, we see here 15.7k subscribers and 132 videos. This milestone wouldn't have been possible without you. I mean you. That is why I am doing this special video to say a very big thank you. Thank you very much for subscribing. Please help to share the channel link and also share the video as well. And then I want to say that this year is going to be a very great year in crypto. All you need to do is to stay focused and do your due diligence, take your technicals and fundamental very, very well. And if you want to invest in any project, be it IDO, ICO, and IEO, please ensure you do your due diligence before investing. And then one more thing is, from this year 2022, we want to make some little modification in our videos. We are not only going to do technical analysis on BTC and other pairs, we are also going to bring you a quality project which you can invest in terms of IDO, ICO, and Launchpad, so that Binance, that can give you maybe 200x or 1000x as the case may be, so that you can grow very fast in this space. And also, if you have not been properly trained on how to trade cryptocurrencies very, very well, please, we have a discount offer for you. Check the description of this video right now and you will see a contact and reach out to us immediately and get properly trained. And if you've not registered on Binance, OKX, crypto.com, please check in the description right now and do your registration right away. And then one more thing, guys, I want to say a very big thank you. Thank you so much for subscribing, and I'm wishing you a prosperous 2022. Thank you very much, and I will see you in the next video.